That's a big tree.
How old's Grandma? 85? That's their great-grandma.
The tree is older than Grandma, you said?
That's what he said.
Wow, that must be an old tree.